Hello students, welcome to Mathbro. In today's session, I am going to discuss about 3-mark short questions from differentiability. So let us begin with the session. See, for 3-mark, they will majorly focus on logarithmic differentiation, and derivatives of the functions in parametric forms. Okay, these two are the hot topics for 3-mark questions in PUC board as well as midterm examination. So, how will you do the logarithmic differentiation? I will just recall the procedure. Suppose there is a function y is equals to f of x raised to the power g of x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. In this case, I have to use logarithmic differentiation, or else if the function is of a continued product of terms, some linear terms, okay, or quadratic terms, ಹೌದಾ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ f of x into g of x multiplied by h of x. Okay, there are so many functions. In these two cases, we will use the logarithmic differentiation. So, how to proceed with logarithmic differentiation? I should take log on both sides. Right. If I take log on both sides, then this becomes log y is equals to log of f of x raised to the power g of x. Right. So, there is a rule in logarithm says that log of a raised to the power b is equals to b into log a. ಹೌದಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ f of x. Then b ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಯಾರಿದಾರ? g of x. Okay, so if I use that rule, then this becomes log y is equal to g of x multiplied by log of f of x. Then we know the chain rule to differentiate log of f of x. ಹೌದಾ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 1 divided by y into dy by dx or y dash, because derivative of y is dy by dx. Then keep the first function as it is, that is g of x as it is, into derivative of this will be 1 divided by f of x multiplied by derivative of f of x, and that is nothing but f dash of x, plus second function as it is, that is log of f of x as it is, into derivative of the first function is g dash of x. ಹೌದಾ? Then what I will do is I will shift this y to that side. Then this becomes y dash is equals to y multiplied by g of x into 1 divided by f of x multiplied by f dash of x plus log of f of x into g dash of x. Okay, if I further simplify and write, then this becomes, what is y? Y is nothing but f of x raised to the power g of x. F of x raised to the power g of x, which is nothing but the given function. Then power divided by the base. and that is nothing but f of x, which is multiplied with the derivative of this, ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ f dash of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, plus log of f of x into g dash of x. This result you can use it while solving the questions in Karnataka CET. But ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಹೌ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದಿ ಲೊಗಾರಿಥಮಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, ಹೌದಾ. ದೆನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಏನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದೇರ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ y is equals to ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ದ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ y is equals to ಏನೈತಿ f of x into g of x into h of x ಐತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ then I will take log on both sides. After taking, then this becomes log y is equals to log of f of x into g of x into h of x. So we know the logarithmic rule as log a into b is equals to log a plus log b. In the same manner, log a into b into c is equals to log a plus log b plus log c plus log c. So if I use the same rule here, then this becomes log y is equals to log of ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು log a into b into c ಅಂದ್ರೆ log of f of x plus log of g of x plus log of h of x, h of x, right? So further procedure will remain same. We know how to find the derivative of log of f of x by using chain rule, and this becomes 1 divided by f of x into f dash of x. This becomes 1 divided by g of x multiplied by g dash of x. This becomes 1 divided by h of x into h dash of x. Okay, so like this we will differentiate the function using logarithmic differentiation. Okay, then coming to the parametric derivatives of the functions in parametric form. Suppose x is expressed in the form of the third parameter, that is t. Okay, x is a function of t and y is also a function of some other function in terms of t. Then if I need to find dy by dx or derivative of y with respect to x, then what I will do is I will divide both numerator and denominator by dt. Then this becomes dy by dt divided by dx by dt, dx by dt. For that, what I should do is I should consider the given functions. First let me differentiate y. Y is equal to g of t kotan. If I differentiate this with respect to t, keep in mind third parameter yaar irtaralla, with respect to that we have to differentiate. Then this becomes dy by dt is equals to g dash of t. Okay, then call this equation as 1. Then if I differentiate x with respect to t, x is a function of t, right? Then if I differentiate this with respect to t, then this becomes dx by dt is equals to f dash of t, f dash of t. Call this equation as 2. By using these two equations, so dy by dx becomes equal to dy by dx ಯಾರಿಗೆ equal ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? dy by dx becomes equals to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Then if I substitute dy by dt from equation 1, then it becomes g dash of t divided by dx by dt is nothing but f dash of t. This is how we differentiate the parametric functions. Okay, parametric functions. I'm not going to discuss about the basic concepts which are involving in parametric functions. What do you mean by parametric function? Okay, ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಚರ್ಚೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. I will just giving the what methodology how to find the derivative of these two kind of functions. Like first function is logarithmic function and the second function is parametric functions. Right. So let us begin with the questions. Okay. So in this question, he has given that differentiate under the root of x minus 3 into x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 with respect to x. So let me consider this function as y. Y is equals to, so shall I write this root of f of x as, suppose root of f of x ಐತೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ f of x raised to the power 1 by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ? ಬರಿಬೋದು. Yes, then if I write this as x minus 3 multiplied with x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 raised to the power 1 by 2. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ, ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಶನ್ ಟು ಐತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಅಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಪವರ್ನು ಐತಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಲಾಗ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಬಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಬಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ರಿಟನ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ. ಈ ರೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ದಾಗ ಯಾವ್ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋದು, ಲಾಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ I will use the rule log of a raised to b. Log of, first take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. Okay, it is not long. Long ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, log ತಗೋಬೇಕು, right? So log of y is equals to, this becomes log of f of x raised to the power some power 1 by 2 ಐತಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ರೇಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ 1 by 2 ಮೊದಲು ಬರೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3x square plus 4x plus 5. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಇಂಟು ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಐತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಲಾಗ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಲಾಗ್ ಸಿ ಆಗತ್ತ. ಎಸ್, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಲಾಗ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1 by 2 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ log a. log a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? x minus 3 ಪ್ಲಸ್ log b. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ. x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ log ಆಫ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್? 3x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. Okay, then now I will differentiate this function with respect to x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x. then this becomes, ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದು, what is the derivative of log y? Derivative of log y is 1 divided by y into dy by dx or y dash, and that is equals to 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 2 into, what is the derivative of log of f of x? 1 divided by f of x into derivative of f of x. So 1 divided by x minus 3 multiplied by derivative of x minus 3 is 1. ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 1. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ what is the derivative of log of x square plus 4? 1 divided by x square plus 4, x square plus 4 into derivative of x square plus 4 is 2x. Then minus of log of this function, derivative of log of this function is 1 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 multiplied by the derivative of this is 3x square, the derivative 6x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Let me write it here directly. 6x plus 4x, the derivative 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. What is the derivative of 5? 5 is a constant, derivative of 5 is 0. Close. Right. So if I shift this y to that side, then it becomes y dash is equals to y by 2 or 1 by 2 into y ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೀವು. y by 2 into ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 2x divided by x square plus 4 minus 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4 times x plus 5. Close. In the last step, what we have to do is we have to replace this y. y ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, then this becomes y dash is equals to root of x minus 3 x square plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5. okay, 1 by 2 and as it is ಇಟ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, into ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 1 divided by x minus 3 plus 2x divided by x square plus 4 minus what, 1 divided by 6x plus 4 divided by 3x square plus 4x plus 5 is the answer. If you write this much, then you will get 3 out of 3 marks. Okay, so pause the video and note down the answer. And the next question is, find dy by dx if x raised to x minus 2 raised to sin x. If y is equals to ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, if y is equals to, here y is equals to x raised to x minus 2 raised to sin x. So what he has given y is equals to x raised to x minus 2 raised to sin x. This 2 raised to sin x can be differentiated by using exponential derivative. So we know the derivative of a raised to x, right? In the same manner, what is the derivative of a raised to f of x? A raised to f of x derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, a raised to f of x into log a multiplied by derivative of f of x, and that is nothing but f dash of x. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. while differentiating this, ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲಾಗ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಲಾಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ I should take these two functions separately. What I will do is y is equals to u minus v. So if I differentiate this function with respect to x, then it becomes y dash or dy by dx is equals to u dash minus v dash. Let me call this equation as 1. So what is u here? U is equals to x raised to x. X raised to x. Now you take log on both sides. Log u is equals to, if I use the logarithmic rule, then this becomes x log x. Okay, now I have to differentiate this function with respect to x. Then it becomes 1 divided by u multiplied by u dash is equal to first function as it is into derivative of second function is 1 by x plus second function as it is, that is log x as it is, into derivative of x will be 1. Okay, so at the end u dash is equals to u into this x and x get cancels, ಏನು ಉಳಿತೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 plus log x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then u dash becomes equals to u place ನಾಗ ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x raised to x ಬರೀತೀರಿ. x raised to x ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ is multiplied with 1 plus log x. Let me call this equation as 2. Then consider v. So what is v here? V is equals to 2 raised to the power sin x. 2 raised to the power sin x. So ಆಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. So directly v dash equals to, no need to take log. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಸ್ we will use a raised to f of x derivative. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು a raised to f of x means 2 raised to sin x into log a ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 into derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x one step ಬರೆಯೋಣಂತ sin x dash. What is the derivative of sin x? Cos x, right? So the answer is v dash is equals to 2 raised to sin x into log 2 multiplied by derivative of sin x is cos x. Consider this equation as 2, not 2, 3. Okay, substituting equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substituting 2 and 3 in equation 1. Then this becomes dy by dx or y dash is equals to u dash ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, u dash ಏನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, u dash is x raised to x multiplied by 1 plus log x. Then what about v dash? v dash ಏನ್ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 raised to the power sin x into log 2 multiplied by cos x. So if you write this much, then you will get 3 out of 3 marks. Pause the video and note down the answer. And the next question is function in parametric form. Okay, so here he has given that x is equals to a theta plus sin theta and y is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta. So first let me differentiate y with respect to theta. Here what is the third parameter other than x and y? Theta, right? So we have to differentiate this function with respect to theta. So if I differentiate this function with respect to theta, then it becomes dy by d theta is equals to a is a constant. Let me keep it as it is. Then what is the derivative of 1? 0 minus derivative of cos theta is sin minus cos theta. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. That minus into this minus becomes plus sin theta. So dy by d theta is equals to A sin theta. Don't write A plus sin theta. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಬರೆಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಎ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಏನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾನ? ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ theta plus sin theta. So if I differentiate this with respect to theta, then it becomes dx by d theta is equals to a as it is, derivative of theta is 1, derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Okay, then ಇವೆರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ dy by d theta ಮತ್ತು dx by d theta ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? We will use while finding the derivative of y with respect to x. Derivative of y with respect to x by using parametric form ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ third parameter theta ಐತಿ, that can be written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. Then what is dy by d theta? A sin theta. A sin theta. And what is dx by d theta? A multiplied by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, here a and a get cancels. Sin theta can be simplified as 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Then what is 1 plus cos theta? So we know that cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, ಆ minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 plus cos 2 theta is equals to 2 cos square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. If you convert this into half angle, then it becomes 1 plus cos theta becomes equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, so in place of 1 plus cos 2 theta, what I will write is 2 cos square theta by 2. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈಗ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನಾವು 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ cos theta ಒಂದು ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos theta ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. And that becomes equals to sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2, that is equals to tan of theta by 2 is the dy by dx, which is the required answer. If you write this much, then you will get 3 out of 3 marks. Pause the video and note down the answer. Then coming to the next question, this is most repeated question, most important as well as repeated question. Find dy by dx if x is equals to a multiplied by cos t plus log of tan t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. So first we will consider y is equals to a sin t. Then third parameter is the t, so we have to differentiate this function with respect to t. Then this becomes dy by dt is equals to a derivative of sin t with respect to t is cos t. Okay, then we will consider x is equals to a multiplied by cos t plus log of tan of t divided by 2. So if I differentiate this again with respect to t, then it becomes dx by dt is equals to a is a constant, keep it as it is, derivative of cos t is minus sin t plus log of f of x, the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1 divided by f of x into f dash of x. So in the same manner chain rule use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. So this becomes 1 divided by tan t by 2 multiplied by the derivative of tan t by 2 is sec square t by 2 into derivative of t by 2 is 1 by 2. So dx by dt is equals to a into minus sin t. This can be written as ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಿ ಇದನ್ನ cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದಲ್ಲ. minus sin t plus cos t by 2 divided by sin t by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. This sec square t by 2 can be written as 1 divided by cos square t by 2, cos square t by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so 1 cos t by 2 and cos t by 2 get cancels. Denominator ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದು cos square t by 2 ಇತ್ತ, ಅದು ಒಂದು cos t by 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ sin theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, dx by dt becomes equals to dx by dt is equal to a into minus sin t plus 1 divided by sin t ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಂ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇದು sin t, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮತ್ತೆ sin t ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಂ sin t ಆಗ್ತತಿ. So I need to multiply this with sin t, then it becomes dx by dt is equals to a into minus sin t into sin t becomes minus sin square t minus sin square t plus 1 divided by sin t. So 1 minus sin square t ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, 1 minus sin square t will be cos square t, a into cos square t divided by sin t ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. Okay, and this is nothing but dx by dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dt ಏನಿತ್ತ, a cos t, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬಂದತಿ, a cos square t divided by sin square t dx by dt ಬಂದತಿ. ಈಗ I need to find dy by dx. For this what I should do is dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Then what is dy by dt? dy by dt is a cos t, a into cos t divided by dx by dt will be a into cos square t divided by sin t, right? So ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, this a and a get cancels, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು cos t ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು cos t ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿತೇನು, this denominator of denominator goes to the numerator. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, sin t divided by cos t and that is equals to tan t, which is nothing but dy by dx. So therefore the required answer is dy by dx is equals to tan t. If you write this much, then you will get 3 out of 3 marks. Pause the video and note down the answer. And the next question is, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx if x equals to a cos theta plus theta sin theta. ಇದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ x sin x. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, y equal to a sin theta minus theta cos theta. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಬೇಕಂತಾನ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, MIMP question. Then let me consider y is equals to a into sin theta minus theta cos theta. Then if I differentiate this with respect to theta, because theta is the third parameter here, then ಇವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ dy by d theta is equals to a is a constant, keep it as it is, derivative of sin theta with respect to theta is cos theta, minus ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. theta is a first function, keep it as it is, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. So for this what I will do is I will use curly bracket. So theta into minus sin theta, okay, then plus second function as it is, that is cos theta as it is, into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. No need to write 1. Close. This is the, if I simplify further, then it becomes a into cos theta, okay, minus into minus becomes plus theta sin theta, then minus into plus will be minus cos theta. Nodri ille plus cos theta and minus cos theta get cancels. So dy by d theta is equals to a theta sin theta, a theta sin theta, okay. Then next I need to differentiate x with respect to theta. Then what he has given, x is equals to a into cos theta plus theta sin theta. So again I will differentiate this with respect to theta. Avagénagutte idu dx by d theta is equals to a is a constant, keep it as it is, derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta, plus let me use the product rule to differentiate these two functions. Theta is a first function, keep it as it is, derivative of sin theta is cos theta, plus second function as it is, sin theta as it is, into derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. So close. ಹೌದಾ, ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, using of appropriate brackets also plays most important role, okay. Then dx by d theta becomes what? Dx by d theta is equal to a into minus sin theta, okay, then plus theta cos theta, okay, then plus sin theta. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So minus sin theta and plus sin theta get cancels, so we are left with dx by d theta is equals to a into theta cos theta, okay. So this is not our answer. ಇನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, dy by dx ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. So dy by dx can be written as dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So what is dy by d theta here? Dy by d theta is a into theta sin theta divided by dx by d theta is a into theta cos theta. So if I cancel a and a, theta and theta, then sin theta by cos theta becomes tan theta. Dy by dx is equals to tan theta is the derivative of y with respect to x. Pause the video and note down the answer. Then the next question is, x is equals to under the root of a raised to the power sin inverse t, and y is equals to under the root of a raised to the power cos inverse t. Then we have to prove that dy by dx is equals to minus y by x. So what I will do is I will consider the given equations x equals to under the root of a raised to the power sin inverse t. Let me call this equation as 1, and y is equals to under the root of a raised to the power cos inverse t. Let me call this equation as 2. So we already know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is always equals to pi by 2. In place of x, if t is there, then sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is also equals to pi by 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, the same function should be present here. Then only this becomes equals to pi by 2. So ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ? Let me multiply these two equations. Multiplying equations 1 and 2. If I multiply these two equations, then this becomes x into y is equal to under the root of a raised to the power sin inverse t multiplied by under the root of a raised to the power cos inverse t. Right? So ಇಲ್ಲೂ ರೂಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ರೂಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಿದು a raised to the power a raised to m into a raised to n is equals to a raised to m plus n ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು a raised to sin inverse t plus cos inverse t ಆಗ್ತದೆ, which is equals to x multiplied by y. So x into y becomes equals to under the root of, from this we can say that sin inverse t plus cos inverse t is equals to pi by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ಬಿಡೋಣ, pi by 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now we have to differentiate this. See, ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ RHS ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Derivative of constant is 0. Okay, x into y ನ differentiate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು by using product rule, right? So let me rewrite this equation. X into y is equals to under the root of a raised to the power pi by 2. Differentiating both sides with respect to what? X, because I need dy by dx. ನನಗೆ dy by dx ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೇನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, we have to differentiate this with respect to x. Product rule use ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. First function as it is into derivative of second function is y dash or dy by dx ಅನ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. Then plus second function as it is into derivative of x is 1, and that becomes equals to derivative of constant is 0. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಂತ, y dash, let me replace this y dash with dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to ಈ y into 1 plus y ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ y ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಪ್ರೂವ್ ದಟ್ dy by dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ y by x equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, if I use the conventional method like finding dx by dt, dy by dt, it becomes tedious. 3 mark question ಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಬಹಳ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. For that reason we will use this method. Pause the video and note down the answer. Then the next question is find f dash of x if f of x is equals to sine inverse of 2 raised to the power x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x. Okay, which is a solid question. This question is given in miscellaneous examples. Okay, so ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution use ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me rewrite this equation as f of x is equals to sine inverse of ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ 2 into 2 raised to x ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ, because a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n, x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ, ಹೌದಾ? Then this denominator can be written as 2 raised to x square ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ, because ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ 2 raised to 2x ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2 raised to 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 raised to x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಂಗ, ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ಆಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಅದಾನೆ, ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲಿ 2 raised to x, ಅವನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಪುಟ್ 2 raised to x is equals to tan theta. That implies theta is equals to tan inverse of x. ಹೌದಾ? After substituting 2 raised to x as tan theta, then this f of x gets reduced to what? F of x is equals to sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan theta ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ, tan theta square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan theta square ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ tan square theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore f of x is equals to ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ, sine inverse of 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta, ಹೌದಾ? 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but sine 2 theta. So ಅವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, sine inverse of sine of 2 theta. So sine inverse of sine 2 theta is equals to 2 theta. f of x ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆತೀಗ, f of x is equals to 2 into theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು, theta ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan inverse of x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So in place of theta I will write tan inverse of, sorry, not tan inverse of x, tan inverse of 2 raised to x, tan inverse of 2 raised to x. Make it a small correction. So 2 into tan inverse of 2 raised to the power x. Now it is very easy to differentiate this function, ಹೌದಾ? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. tan inverse of f of x is the derivative ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square into derivative of f of x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x, x, then this becomes f dash of x is equals to 2 is a constant multiplied by a function ಐತಿ, constant as it is ಇಡಬೇಕು, function differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is the derivative of this? 1 divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x whole square into derivative of 2 raised to x. What is the derivative of 2 raised to the power x? 2 raised to the power x into log 2 is the answer. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫರ್ದರ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ f dash of x is equals to 2 into 2 raised to x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 raised to the power x plus 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. log 2 divided by 1 plus 2 raised to x whole square can be written as 4 raised to the power x is the required derivative of the function. If you write this much, then you will get 3 out of 3 marks. Pause the video and note down the answer. So with this, I will conclude the today's session. In the next session, I will be dealing with 5 mark most important questions of differentiability. After that, we will discuss about the gunshot questions from continuity. Stay tuned.